Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Use Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Cash App on desktop. To log into Cash App using desktop, the first thing you'll need to do is to open a web browser of your choice. Soon after you open it up, go ahead and type in cash.app and search. Once you end up in the official web page of Cash App, you will see a login button at the top right corner. Click on it. Enter your phone number or your email address that you want to sign in with and click on Continue. Verify your email address by entering the verification code that has been sent to you via your email. Enter the login code right after you receive it and then click on Continue once again. You will now need to enter a verification code sent to your phone. Enter the code as soon as you receive it and then click on Continue again. After clicking on the Continue button, you will then be able to log into your Cash App account. So that is how you can easily sign into Cash App using desktop. Remember that there isn't a dedicated Cash App for desktop, so you can access a limited version of Cash App through your web browser like I've shown you on the video. So that's it for today's video. If you found the tutorial to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.